Hello, this is my oral presentation, English Level 2. Count. My presentation and presentation of my work. I'll start my presentation. I am Erika Marcela Inguilan Pinedo. I master studying in administration of the organization. I am 29 years old. I am single. I am from San Juan de Pasto, Nariño. I live in San Agustín, Huila. It is my document of personal the identification. After this presentation of my work. Tips visiting Cancun, Mexico by Erika Inguilan, English Level 2. Stage number 1. Tips for visiting Cancun. On my last vacation, I traveled to Cancun, Mexico. It is a beautiful place. Its beaches are spectacular. The places I visited are very nice. I met Playa Delfines, Chichen Itza, Cenotes. I traveled in a catamaran to Isla Mujeres. I meet nice people. I have friends in Mexico. I visited Tedisco Cocobongo. It is a very famous place worldwide. I had a lot of fun. The exchange of culture was satisfactory. The food is very rich. The music is fun. I visited shopping center, bought many things. Trade in Mexico is very economical. It was a phenomenal experience. Continued. Stage 2. What to do Cancun. Number 1. Stay at the Isbalamke Hotel. 2. Contemplate the sounds. 3. Tour in catamaran. 4. Dance of Cocobongo disco. 5. Swimming in the cenotes. 6. Visit Pyramid of Chichen Itza. 7. Make friends. Finish. Visit Dolphin Beach. Continued. Stage 3. 3. What should you do? Eat fruits. What you should not do? Drinking tequila on the beach. I hope you liked it. Thanks.